This 2026 NuCamp Cirrus 620 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 12 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, microwave, TV, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Cirrus 620 is 1,853 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.